This is a simple video on how to use bookmarks in Chrome. So to start, how to bookmark a tab. So once you have a tab you'd like to bookmark, you just click the little star. You can name it whatever you'd like. And then it pretty much just stays up here. And then say I don't want this super long name, I can just delete that and click done. And it still has a little symbol. And say I want to move Cami in front of Nearpod, it's just as simple as dragging and dropping. And then if you'd like, you can create a folder. Say I want to name this school. I can drag Nearpod and I can drag Cami in there. And then say it's the first thing in the morning and you just want all your tabs open. It's super simple to just open them all in a new window. Thanks for watching.